Hi everyone. Following the debut of its all-electric JAX Crossover, Wolf pickup, and futuristic camping truck with Heimplanet, California-based Alpha Motor Corporation is now introducing the Montage Electric Coupe. This is the Montage, which is inspired by the retro look of classic British sports cars from the 1950s, such as the Bentley S1 Coupe and the Morgan Plus 4. Montage is planned to be built on a custom-built electric vehicle platform constructed from the ground up using Alpha's proprietary development process involving Advanced Computer-Aided Development (CAD). Alpha says the Montage is available with an optional electric drive unit making 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, and 2,640 pound-feet, 3,335 Newton-meters of torque. The power goes to the rear wheels through a single-speed gearbox with a 9.53 ratio. The company's spec sheet doesn't list the output for the Montage's standard powertrain. The battery capacity also isn't clear. Alpha says it is a custom-built, lithium-ion pack that provides an estimated 250 miles of range, 402 kilometers of driving range. Charging performance is not available either. This model was unveiled in a refined metallic silver paint called Time Machine. The structure of Montage is a teardrop-shaped cabin with fender blisters mounted on the body side. The result is an elegant profile accented by chrome ornamentations. The center spine of the hood features Alpha's triangular mark in a refined metal finish. The Montage features two full-size doors which provide entry to plush seating for two passengers with extra space for storage in the rear compartment and underneath the hood. The dimensions measure 1,384 mm, 54-inch, tall, 1,850 mm, 73-inch, wide, and 4,400 mm, 173-inch, long. The vehicle comes equipped with wide performance tires with sidewalls dressed in white and mounted on exquisitely crafted, polished metal wire wheels. The vehicle interior integrates advanced features, including a driver-centric digital speedometer, haptic audio controls, and a digital sound system. The interior seating of Montage will feature top-grade leathers from Spinneybeck. Spinneybeck is committed to working with the highest quality of sustainable and biodegradable materials. The company's approach to sustainable design considers all of the parts and pieces of the supply chain and manufacturing processes. The Montage features innovative materials in sustainability from Shawmut, Neolux, and SpacerKnit. The interior ambience is elevated by Shawmut's luxurious and recyclable materials which are made from single-component recycled fibers. Neolux captures the plush texture of suede with a carbon footprint reduction of 50% and is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional urethane-based faux suedes. Soft, inviting, and rich in color, Neolux provides exquisite satisfaction to the hand and eye. SpacerKnit offers dimensionality and texture unique to automotive interiors. The limited production Montage Coupe will be available via private sale as an exclusive custom-built special construction electric vehicle. The price of this limited edition retro electric model is at least $499,000. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.